This video will step you through on how to accept, reject, or join a video service session for the Corrlinks Video Service on your iOS device. Open the Corrlinks Video application and log in. Any future video session visit will be listed toward the bottom in the Future Sessions section. If the status is pending, then the visit needs to be accepted or rejected. If the future session is scheduled, this session has been accepted and is ready for the visit to commence. After you receive a video visit invitation, you will have two options, either to accept or reject an invitation. To reject a session, simply select the session with the pending status. Press the Reject choice and confirm that you want to reject the session by selecting the Reject Session choice. To accept a video session request, simply select the session with pending as the status, then click the Accept choice. You need to complete two parts. First, you need to provide your government-issued ID information. This can be a passport, military ID, or a driver's license. To use a driver's license, you will need to select State as the issuer type, then the state where you got your driver's license, and the ID number of the driver's license. Now you need to accept the Terms of Use agreement. Select the Terms of Use row, and then select Accept in the upper right corner on the Terms of Use page. Once the Terms of Use has been accepted, click the Accept choice on the Government ID page. The Future Session section has now changed. The video session is now scheduled. It needs to be noted that all session date and times are consistent with the time zone of your iOS device. This is different than the central time zone for the Windows users. If you want to cancel an upcoming session, select the selected session and select the Cancel option at the bottom. Confirm that you want to cancel the session. Again, if you cancel the session inadvertently, the only way to replace the session is to have the person in the institution request a new session. Up to 7 days before the scheduled visitation session, you will be able to cancel any video visit. Once you're within the 7 days, you will not be able to cancel the session. When your scheduled video session time is approaching, you will have to join the video session. Start the Corrlinks Video application if you are within 30 minutes of the start of your visit. The Join Session section will display a small countdown. If your session is in progress, you will have a live icon next to your session. There will be a short test to confirm that your network is capable of supporting the video session. If the test encounters a slow network, you will be given options to review help files for slow networks, try a different network, or join anyway. After the connection is established, the application will display a large countdown screen until your session time arrives. Again, you may initiate the session 30 minutes prior to your scheduled session time. As the scheduled session starts, you will see the display from your camera in the lower right corner of the screen. As soon as the system in the institution is activated, you will see the person in the institution. If you are disconnected during the session, select the session again, and as soon as the connection is reestablished, the session will continue until your allotted time is completed. When the session has completed, hit the Done choice to exit the application. You can now close the application. Please refer to the FAQ documents for best practices for optimum audio and video clarity. Again, please review the help files for additional information to make your video visit a success. Enjoy your visit.